our POWs. This weekend we honor all of our war dead.
Today's Rolling Thunder. Remember all the Vietnam vets, the ones who didn't come home unarmed and the missing in action.
I cried on my way in because it was like, I thought about how my husband has been deployed so many times, and I'm like, man, I'm so thankful he's here with me still, and I can't only imagine how those families have felt.
We started out in 1988 with about 2,900 bikes. Now we're up to 500,000.
Rolling Thunder 31. Been here since Rolling Thunder #1. Haven't missed.
I stood down there and cried when it came through. But I do it every year. Doesn't get any better.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for your support. Last year, Humana sponsored Rolling Thunder for the first time.
I just want to thank you on behalf of a grateful nation, sir.
We worked with the Vietnam commemoration team to welcome home Vietnam veterans and thank them for their service and present them with a lapel pin.
Just want to say welcome home.
Thank you, it's my honor.
It was so good last year, we had a repeat. So we're back again this year, the corporate sponsor, and frankly, I hope we do it for a long time.
It's important that you have organizations that want to take care of our military families.
Absolutely, like Humana.
We have our representatives here from Feeding America, the Capital Area Food Bank, that collect food items as well as monetary donations.
1 in 5 military families is affected by food insecurity, which basically just means that they don't know where the next meal is coming from.
Humana's been committed to helping veterans since 1996. It's the right thing for us to do. We lead with our heart at Humana. I believe that.
We're not going to quit. And it's hard on me to talk about it.
Honor my friends that we lost over there, and all the other soldiers and nurses and everything else that were lost in Vietnam. Let them know that we're not forgetting, and we'll never forget.